Good morning everybody and welcome to class number 16. In previous class we have already discussed the electric field at the center of circle and semicircle. But today in class number 16 we have to discuss the find the electric field at a point P at a normal distance from center of uniformly charged circular ring of radius A and linear charge density lambda. Listen. So suppose the circle is here. सर्कल ऐसा सर्कुलर रिंग ऐसे तरफ से लग रहा है. जस्ट लुक लाइक ए इलिप्स. ये सुन, जस्ट लुक लाइक ए इलिप्स. सर्कल को ऐसे रखता है तो सर्कल दिख सकता है, बट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन एंगल में देखता है दिख रहे हैं तो वो इलिप्स तरफ से दिख रहा है. ये सुन. सो सर्कल इज ए सर्कल with center point O. Question ask point P at a normal distance from center. Normal distance इतना सरफेस एरिया, तो सरफेस नॉर्मल डिस्टेंस नॉर्मल है. ये सुनो, तो एरिया टू नॉर्मल दिस डायरेक्शन. सपोज दिस पॉइंट P यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज सर्कुलर रिंग. तो चार्ज सर्कुलर रिंग ऑफ रेडियस है, इसका रेडियस है and linear charge density lambda. Then we have to calculate, due to charged circular ring, the electric field at a point P at a distance x from the center. Yes or no? So we have to calculate how. Suppose this is the circular ring, the length is L. Small length we can choose, that is dl. dl में चार्ज कितना होता है? dq होता है, क्योंकि L डिस्टेंस में यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. सो L डिस्टेंस में चार्ज q है. इन dl डिस्टेंस, dl स्मॉल डिस्टेंस, तो स्मॉल चार्ज होता है. स्मॉल चार्ज का मतलब क्या है? dq है. सो उधर dq है, चार्ज dq. इसो चार्ज dq. dq चार्ज स्मॉल dl में dq चार्ज होता है. इसो सो हियर देखिए ओ वाला सर्कल है, लेकिन वो सर्कल आपको दिखाई दे रहा है सर्कल तरफ से. ठीक है, वो जस्ट लुक एज ए सर्कल, बट प्रोजेक्शन एंगल कुछ बेंड हो जाए तो उस लुक लाइक ए इलिप्स. ये सुन. सो दिस पॉइंट, दिस सर्कल इज ऐसा तरफ से है. ये सुन, बट वो पॉइंट नॉर्मल डिस्टेंस, सेंटर है उधर है सेंटर है उधर. ठीक है, सेंटर है उधर सेंटर है. सेंटर से नॉर्मल डिस्टेंस उधर, वो पॉइंट से हमको मिलना है क्या निकालना है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है. सो चार्ज यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज कंडक्टर, सर्कुलर चार्ज कंडक्टर, देन सेंटर इज हियर, देन सेंटर टू एट ए डिस्टेंस x. दिस पॉइंट इज P. दिस पॉइंट दैट्स द सेंटर वो सेंटर है, वो P पॉइंट है, P पॉइंट उधर है. ठीक है. सो हमको निकालना है जो कैसे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकल सकता है एट पॉइंट P. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? dq इज हियर. सो dq this point, the line joining here, तो line is joining here, but due to dq at point P, electric field is what? D, but direction of D is what? This direction. Yes, Q, due to Q, electric field is due to dq, electric field is D. at point P. Because dq, suppose we have to think dq is the positive charge. Due to positive charge, electric field is outward direction. So at point P, electric field is D is in this direction. Similarly, we have to think here dq charge. Here line joining here. dq D is what? At every point, circular every point, circular every point. Here, electric field is here. Here the dq charge, electric field is here. Here electric field here. yes or no? ऐसा तरफ से ब्लैक बोर्ड में, व्हाइट बोर्ड में दिखाई नहीं सकता है, लेकिन यू हैव टू इमेजिन. हियर देखिए, हियर जो पॉइंट, सपोज ओ वाला पॉइंट है, ड्यू टू dq चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज व्हाट? दिस डायरेक्शन. ड्यू टू dq चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन इज दिस डायरेक्शन. dq चार्ज electric field direction is this direction. That means you have to think at any point you can choose. But electric field direction is in such that due to dq electric field this, due to dq electric field this direction. But you have to think any point dq choose, then electric field is different direction. Listen, but there are different types of direction of electric field. But in this case, this suppose it is the angle is theta. Suppose the at angle is the theta, is the horizontal line. It is the inclined angle. That inclined angle is what? Theta. So this line is inclined at angle theta to horizontal line. So this is theta. This is also be theta. Yes or no? But this is the normal distance. That means this distance is equal to this distance. That means this is the theta angle. This is also be theta angle. Yes or no? Suppose this is the theta. This is also theta. But DE is inclined at angle theta to horizontal. Yes or no? But we have to know D the angle, inclined angle theta to horizontal. But we calculate D has two components. One is vertical, another is horizontal. Horizontal line is what? DE cos theta. Vertical line is what? DE sin theta. Yes or no? Similarly, this D has DE cos theta. Here D is DE sin theta. We have to choose two components. One is here, one is here. That means this dq is opposite to this dq, or this dq is opposite to this dq. But now we have to choose any point. Suppose we have to think dq charge here. Due to dq charge, d field is here. But इसका opposite क्या है? उसका है. This dq charge electric field is what? This direction. That means any direction of electric field has two components. One is vertical, another is horizontal. But in these two dq charge, one dq charge direction is here, one dq charge is here. But it has two components. One is horizontal, another is vertical upward direction. Another vertical upward. Another dq charge due to electric field. Another dq charge is create what? Electric field in this direction. It has also two components. One is horizontal, another is vertical. But if this dq is opposite, it has two components vertical. One is upward, one is another. It is also called. It is try to cancel each other, because d sin theta is equal, sin theta equal, d is equal. Because dq is the same charge, same distance, same electric field is magnitude of electric field is equal. So d sin theta cancel each other. At any point you have to choose a dq. At any point, this dq is creates electric field, and its opposite dq, it also creates electric field. But it has two components. Vertical lines are cancel each other, only remaining horizontal lines. Yes or no? Only remaining horizontal line. Now we think 2-point charge dq. It has two components, d cos theta, d cos theta, d sin theta cancel each other. Similarly, number of charge you have to choose, then number of components in horizontal are present, but vertical lines are cancel each other. But we have to calculate, or we have already known from this expression what the all vertical components are cancel each other, but we can found the net electric field, you can write net electric field at point P due to only horizontal component, You can write. Yes or no? All vertical components are cancel each other, but we can found the net electric field at point P due to only horizontal components. Yes or no? Horizontal components क्या है horizontal components? So we have to write E at point P. हमको निकालना है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट P क्या है? इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ d cos theta, that means integration of d cos theta, integration of de what? de cos theta, d हमको मालूम है, d कितना है? d है बीटा dq by here it a, it is x, it is क्या है? x square plus a square root over. So d is equal beta dq by x square plus a square root over square. तो बीटा dq का मतलब क्या है? लैम्ब्डा dl. You have already known lambda dl divided by x square plus a square. Yes or no? So you have to calculate. So here this one. So d का मतलब क्या है? d का मतलब बीटा लैम्ब्डा dl by x square plus a square. cos theta मतलब cos theta means x by x square plus a square root over x by x square plus a square root over. So beta lambda dl into x by x square plus a square power 3/2. But here beta lambda dl x square plus a square plus 3/2. But वेरी dl है ना, इंटीग्रेशन निकालना होगा. वेरी कहाँ पे होगा? सो बीटा कांस्टेंट बीटा लैम्ब्डा x by x square plus a square power 3/2 integration of dl, integration of dl. L means circumference of circle, dl means small element, small element. So ये कहाँ पे वेरी होगा, जस्ट उधर स्टार्ट होने के बाद टोटल आएगा उधर पूरा सर्कमफेरेंस निकलने पाएगा, ठीक है। दैट मीन्स suppose we have to think dq charge for every point you can choose, every point you can choose, here, every can you can choose. So that's why just starting from this point, then total point you can choose, then you can achieve in circumference. That means it vary 0 to कितना है L, 0 to L है, L means 0 to L, L कितना है. So you can write, yes or no? So you can write beta lambda x by x square plus a square 3 by 2 integration of dl 0 to 2 pi a. Yes or no? So beta lambda x divided by beta lambda x divided by x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2 into L 2 pi a. So beta lambda x by x square plus a square 3 by 2 into 2 pi a minus. So this is the electric field is what? This is the electric field. Beta का मतलब 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into lambda x 2 pi a divided by, दिखाई दे रहा है ना, x square plus a square power 3 by 2. So then E is equal to pi 2 pi cancel each other, then lambda, then E is equal to lambda x a by 2 epsilon 0 x square plus a square divided by 3 by 2. This is the net electric field, but direction of electric field is what? In this direction, because the vertical component has cancelled each other only horizontal line. That means due to charge circular ring, the electric field at a point P from x distance center, then net electric field at point P is direction to horizontal line. Meaning net electric field direction of net electric field is in this direction. Net electric field is in this direction. Yes or no? Net electric field is horizontal direction. Yes or no? So you can write, this is the net electric field. We can discuss. Yes or no? So इसके बाद हम नया चैप्टर, नया टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. वो क्या है? डाइपोल. ठीक है, वो खत्म होने के बाद हम डाइपोल बारे में कुछ जानेंगे. ठीक है. सो मैं कह हेडिंग डाइपोल, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. मैं कह हेडिंग इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. ये सुनो, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. डाइपोल क्या है? डाइपोल का मतलब क्या है? डाई मीन्स डाइपोल. pole. Di means two. Pole means polarity. Di means two, दो. Pole means polarity. टू क्या है? टू चार्ज है, इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय चार्ज. ये सुन, टू मीन्स चार्ज है, टू चार्ज है. पोलैरिटी मीन्स one opposite polarity, another is one positive polarity, another is negative polarity. दो चार्ज opposite polarity. ये सुन, that means dipole we can define. क्या है? define कर परिबा हम the dipole is defined as the pair of charge having two means two charge. One is positive charge, another is negative charge. Polarity, one positive polarity, then negative polarity. Di means two, pole means polarity. Polarity means opposite polarity. One positive, another negative. Two means two charge. One positive charge, one negative charge. Yes or no? So, dipole it can define as the pair of charge having same magnitude, but opposite polarity. Opposite polarities are separated by pair of charge having same magnitude but opposite polarity are separated by very small distance. It's called electric dipole. It's called electric dipole. That means one is positive charge, another is negative charge. Yes or no? The distance, suppose this distance, the distance is very small. Yes or no? Very small. Then suppose टू डाइपोल में अंदर में मिडिल पॉइंट है, उसका सेंटर बोलती है इसको नो. सो इस सेंटर से उस सेंटर पॉजिटिव एल डिस्टेंस, उस सेंटर से नेगेटिव एल डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस 2l है. ये सुन, तो इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल one is positive, another is negative, is very small distance, that is called electric dipole. That means one is positive charge, another is negative charge, that is dipole बोल सकता है. Yes or no? So you can write the positive charge, suppose this is the negative charge. Yes or no? O पॉइंट को लाइन जॉइन कर सकता है. ओ लाइन का मिडिल पॉइंट O बोलती है, उसका सेंटर बोलती है, उसका सेंटर ऑफ dipole. Listen, but this line joining between two opposite charges and passing through the center, this line is known as axial line. Which line joining to the two charges and passing through the center of dipole is called axial line. And another line is divided to dipole, और उसको बोल सकता है which line is perpendicular to the axial line and passing through the center of the dipole is known as equatorial line. इसको इक्वेटोरियल लाइन बोलता है परपेंडिकुलर में, इसको एक्सियल लाइन बोल सकता है. ये सुन, यू कैन ड्रॉ. ये सुन, एक्सियल लाइन पे डिफाइन कर सकता है। एक्सियल लाइन, द line is passing, line in joining, line is passing, yes or no? Line is joining, line joining of two charges and passing through the center of dipole, कोई लाइन को एक्सियल लाइन बोल सकता है। दिस लाइन इज जॉइनिंग टू चार्जेस and passing through the center of the dipole, and we can define equatorial line, the line is perpendicular to the axial line से perpendicular है। The line is perpendicular to the axial line and passing through the center of dipole, हम भी बोल सकता है, we can tell the angle between axial line is equatorial line is what? 90 degree. Yes or no? That means axial line and equatorial line perpendicular each other, but passing through the one point, only two line passing through the one point, that is called center of the dipole. Yes or no? So you can write, this is the axial line, this is all about axial line and equatorial line. It is, you can also write total charge of dipole is zero because the positive charge, negative charge, total charge of dipole is zero, but not equal to electric field. But electric field is not zero. But electric field is not zero because two opposite charge is placed at a point. The charge is zero. और field भी zero because वो positive charge, negative charge, neutral हो रहा है, ये सुन, सो इसलिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जीरो होता है। बट टू अपोजिट चार्ज इज सेपरेटेड सम डिस्टेंस, सो दैट्स व्हाई द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज नॉट जीरो, बट टोटल चार्ज कैन बी जीरो, बट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज नॉट जीरो। सो बट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज नॉट जीरो because due to two opposite charges are separated some distance, at some distance. This one separated. So we are adding ideal electric dipole. Ideal इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल क्या है? वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज, वो नेगेटिव चार्ज, वो सेंटर वो एल है, सेंटर फ्रॉम सेंटर टू ऑपोजिट चार्ज एल डिस्टेंस, सेंटर टू नेगेटिव चार्ज एल डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 12 डिस्टेंस। but in ideal electric dipole, we can choose ideal electric dipole. We can say 2L tends to 0, but Q tends to infinite. Yes or no? Tends to. So 2L is what? 2L is total length of dipole. This is the ideal electric dipole means charge is infinite, the charge is very large, but distance between two charges is very negligible. So we can define the two opposite charges are separated by very small distance. Very small distance means tends to 0. That will be negligible. So that's why ideal electric dipole means length between two charges is very negligible. Yes or no? So this is the ideal electric dipole. Then you make a heading electric dipole. तो इलेक्ट्रिक make a heading इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट. ये सुन. तो आज तो टाइम खत्म हो गया. तो टाइम इज ओवर. बट ऑल अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट आई विल discuss in next class. Yes or no? So the next class I will discuss electric dipole moment. Yes or no? Thank you very much.